tonight we thought we'd give you guys a bit of an update on our streetcar S15. Keeg's been busy this morning disassembling it, taking out the lights, the door handles, trim, bumpers, everything like that, because he's delivering it down to our friend to paint. So next time we see it, it's going to be all one colour and beautiful. We weren't going to do it in this order. We were going to have take it through compliance first and then repaint it, but we've been told that for compliance it's all got to be one colour like it came out of the factory. So it's a bit annoying. We hope they don't scratch our pretty paint job, but it is what it is. So next time we see it, she'll be looking good, and then we'll take it through for compliance to get her back on the road. Hey guys, we're going to do another little video on our S15 going through compliance, but while we're doing that, we're also going to take Jamie's beautiful green S15 that also has to go through compliance, but it's in the same process. It's also going to have a cert because she's got a few mods. So we're going to do Driveshaft hoops on it today because that's going to be a requirement to pass her cert. So we're going to get stuck in pulling out all the interior, the seats, the carpet, the centre console and things like that, because you need to put double plates in for the Driveshaft hoops to fix to, and then we'll throw it up on the hoist and get them made.
Carpet out, seats out.
That'll do.
No.
That was actually really efficient. We did that really quickly. I only broke one thing, and it doesn't even matter, so.
Alright, should we get on the hoist?
Yeah.
It's going to be fun because it's low.
Yeah, I'll go get the wood.
You girls getting distracted.
Yeah. I'm now into Z's.
Oh, it's fun cars, eh? That's brilliant.
Yours ain't going to look like this though.
Oh, that's okay. Mine's a stretch. Yours is
Oh my god, I'm scared of you. Alright, so we have loosened the drive shaft and we've taken off the exhaust, and now we've just popped this hoop on and we're going to mock up to make sure that it's the right size and everything's fitting well. This has to be in the right place, so we've got a nice flat place to bolt it to, and yeah, we're doing a smaller one over here.
Yeah, Keeg's just cutting out the smaller hoop for the rear half of the shaft because it's a smaller diameter. But we're going to get his executive input on where exactly we're fitting the hoops, because they've got to be a certain distance from the universal joint to pass cert spec. So yeah, we'll go and cut some pieces of flat bar, find the new home for the hoops, and I've also got to cut a couple of things on the plasma. So we'll head over. Jamie and I aren't fabricators, but we cut these squares out on the plasma, marked them, drilled them out with a small drill, then Jamie cleaned them up with a flat disc, and then we drilled them out to 10mm.
And then these go in, and we're going to put some weld on them, so then they'll go on the inside of the car, and you don't need another person to be in there to hold them when you do them up. So we'll just put a little weld on them. No, that's it. Cut.
Good thing he's got you, eh? Yeah.
Alright, so what's Keg done since you guys have been gone?
Okay, well, don't blame us, we both have children and they required attending to and bedtime stuff.
They were good, they would have put themselves to bed.
Probably. Yeah, so we did those plates at the top, Keg then put the 10mm bolts through them, welded them, painted them, and they're inside the car. Then I played around, I cut one of these, I cut that one. So we've got some 6mm plate that we have bent and welded onto the driveshaft hoop itself, and that then there's obviously holes through the floor with the plates on the other side where they're now bolted in. So there's that one there, it's all now pretty and painted, and this wee one here, which is attached really cool. Look at that.
Yeah, there's a factory bracket that bolts in here, so cut the studs out, punch the studs. That's why they're kind of not straight on the plate, but yeah, that's where the factory holes kind of were. But yeah.
Yeah. And also this little hoop here, Keg had to flatten off at the top, so he cut out part of the circle and he's welded a flat plate there.
Can't see it.
Can't see it. So, I mean, it seems like a real straightforward thing, and I know that a lot of people sell universal driveshaft hoop kits, but to get it right, to make it, well, functional and pretty, not that anyone looks under there, but you like to know that...
I want to know that it's pretty.
Yeah. You like to know everything on your car is as good as it can be, really. It does take a bit of time, so yeah, between the three of us we got there, and I also repainted Jamie's exhaust because some of it had been...
It's been packed up for a while.
Well, and she scraped it a wee bit because it's a bit low. That happens. That's okay. So we gave that a spray. So under here is now all looking pretty. We'll drop it down, put a carpet back down, the seats back in, and then...
Everything back together.
And then I'm going to watch and have a beer.
Fair enough.
Yeah, that is fair enough. We'll allow it.
Do we have anything else to do to your car before it's cert ready?
I want to put in my wheels, so I have a grip royal steering wheel that I will put in at some point. Yeah, it's really cool actually. It's a chameleon one, so I'll put that in. And other than that, no, good, cool, yeah.
We just got to suss wheels, suspension,
yeah.
alignment. There's a whole bunch of little things, but we'll work through that as we process through our vlogs or whatever we want to call these.
So your car's probably too low to pass, is that what you mean? And
A little bit, and the tyres are stretched and so on, and yeah, there's a few little things. We just got to change a couple of things, but it's easy. It's easy stuff for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be fine. Cool.
Cool.
This came out with airbags though, yeah?
Yes. So the steering wheel things.
It's already got the airbag light flashing, so
Yeah.
that's a bonus we got to take.
I'll have to check. You might be able to get away with doing a delete, but they might want you to have it in there for compliance. We'll check.
Oh dear.
We'll check the rules.
You need to check your rules if you're going to put aftermarket steering wheels in. FYI.
Yeah, definitely. But other people have done it in S15s, and so I didn't see why there would be a problem for them.
Yeah.
But compliance, yeah, sometimes they like to have a cat in there as well, but because it's aftermarket exhaust and cert and etc, you might be you'll be able to get away with it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good. That's what I like to hear.
There's little loopholes here and there. New Zealand's funny, but we have a pretty good system. Yeah.
If all else fails, she can run her steering wheel after it's all complied.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just keep
Which is
stuff-
what I do. Okay, let's put this down and put the seats back in.
Zoop, 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 zoop. Down she goes.
We might fast forward this bit.
Nah, leave it this way. Half an hour. We did what had to be done.
I turned it on for Brian.
You might want to show us the plates before you get too crazy with the carpet.
Oh.
Show us them plates you
Show
made.
us them plates. Alright, these are the plates that we made. 1, 2.
Yep. You got to chip all the underseal off around it, so there's nothing stuck underneath it, and yeah. Good work, guys.
Thanks. It was really difficult.
All right, now put the interior back together. I'm gonna watch, make sure you do it properly.
Okay. I'm actually happy with that, considering it's my car.
Working hard or hardly working?
Someone's working. You guys are so animated while you're working.
What do you want from us? A song and dance?
He wants I thought he was being genuine. I was like, thanks. Oh no.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Now you probably want the rest of the center console first.
Yeah, maybe.
Give us a moment.
Yeah.
You guys are getting
Figure
carried
this
away.
out.
Get the plastic dip out.
We don't have any more plates
Can
to
I
go.
just clip this back? Oh
Oh
my
yeah,
part
done.
Okay, now we need
Ready.
the rest of it.
yeah. Okay. Ugh. Goes
I told you twice. You guys are just like, who doesn't know
But
what
we
Do you guys want me to get you
We've
guys?
had too many ciders
I'll
for
get you
this.
another drink.
You've had like, yeah. Another drink will definitely make us work better. No, you gotta unscrew the whole thing.
You gotta take the can knob off.
No.
How are you gonna get the whole of the...
Can you leave me alone if you're not going to be helpful?
I
Can you
am
go
being
away?
helpful.
He
That
actually is
bit
being-
goes in first. I said it like 20 minutes ago. Okay, be gentle.
If this
It's
stuff
gonna
has
go
to, I was like, if this has to be unscrewed, I'm gonna.
It doesn't. It's going to be
Oh,
fine.
oh. Be gentle. Just ease it in.
You're making me nervous.
This is not going that well, to be fair.
It came out a lot smoother than it went out.
Yeah, don't force it. Just...
We need the handbrake. We need the do.
Oh fuck! You were so smart for unscrewing that earlier.
No, but you gotta screw it back on before you put that in.
No. I think we need. Oh look, that's fine. That's good. You actually did that better than I.
Alright, I'm grabbing another beer. You finished?
Yes, made it all clean. And we've only ended up with 2 random screws.
Only 2.
Only 2. And they're obviously from the interior.
Look at that,
so-
interior's all clean. Back together. Even new again up. Woo! Look at that. You guys need to high five each other.
You're really good. I feel like we were such a good team, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was fun.
It was fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
And it's dark outside. It's been a long day.
Yeah, it is.
We're a good team, but we're a little bit slow.
Well, we
Yeah.
didn't start till what, 11? 10:30, 11.
Yeah. Yeah, it was pretty good.
I would say it was
And
12.
then my attention was between 2 different jobs.
Yeah. I don't know if Ed filmed any of it, but we had a 350Z turn up and we did an exhaust tip on it. 'Cause
When you say we, you mean me.
we as in DTM.
Yeah.
We did some dry shop hoops. Kind of.
We did. We did. Collective we. Yeah. It was awesome. The car got put back together super well, I feel. We did a great job.
We've only got 2 extra
At
screws.
least it's clean.
Yeah, it looks great now, no matter how we got there, you know. Perfect.
Cool. Trying to close out your video?
Okay.
Oh, your car's getting painted.
Yeah. So my S15 Spec-R is at the painters at the moment. So hopefully that'll be ready to pick up. It'll be actually be ready to pick up on Monday. But we are not going to be available most of Monday.
Well, not all of Monday, but we'll pick it up.
Ed reckons we're going to pick it up. What are you doing?
He's showing them the photo.
Here's a picture of my painter just sent. Focus.
Why don't you just like lay it in to the video?
Yeah, maybe. Can't get it far enough away.
Dang, it took the autofocus off the camera. Now he's regretting that. Yeah, so we're going to pick that up on Monday night. Queen's birthday weekend at the moment. But what are we doing Monday, Ed? We are going drifting.
What?
We're going drifting!
Drifting! Yeah.
Taking my 350. I don't know how I feel about that.
Stay tuned to find out.
See how this goes.
I get my S14 back.
Yay.
I'm so good
Unless you really dislike that 350 and then I'll be driving it.
Yeah. I don't really want to let you beat on my street car at the track though.
It's a track edition. That's what it's about. It's not called the street edition.
Damn it.
Yeah.
See how that goes.
Alright. Close it out.
Bye.
Is that it? Bye.
Bye.
Close.